How to read this mathematical symbol? A. Mod x. B. P of e. C. P of x. D. Since. The answer is A. Mod x. How to read this mathematical symbol? A. Sin theta cos theta tan theta. B. Pi. C. Mu. D. Sigma. The answer is C. Mu. How to read this mathematical symbol? A. Therefore. B. Is similar to. C. Infinite. D. Not equal to. The answer is D. Not equal to. How to read this mathematical symbol? A. Rupee. B. P of e. C. Is parallel to. D. Since. The answer is B. P of e. How to read this mathematical symbol? A. Rupee. B. P of e. C. P of x. D. Since. The answer is C. P of x. How to read this mathematical symbol? A. Degree. B. Belongs to. C. Delta triangle. D. Percent of. The answer is D. Percent of. How to read this mathematical symbol? A. Degree. B. Phi. C. Delta triangle. D. Percent of. The answer is B. Phi. How to read this mathematical symbol? A. Sin theta cos theta tan theta. B. Pi. C. X bar. D. Sigma. The answer is B. Pi. Please like, share, subscribe.